Okay, before I give you an example about sketching the graph of a parabola with vertex at the origin, let's first have a review of the different equations of parabola and their corresponding graphs. Okay? If we have an equation of the parabola of this form, y squared equals 4cx, the graph of this parabola is this one. The vertex at the origin, the directrix located on the left side of the y-axis, axis of symmetry that will pass through the focus and vertex of the parabola is at the x-axis, and the curve opens to the right. Okay? While this equation of a parabola, y squared equals negative 4cx, the vertex is at the origin, the directrix is located on the right side of the y-axis, the focus is on the negative side of the x-axis, and the curve opens to the left. Okay? This equation of the parabola x squared equals 4cy, vertex at the origin, the directrix is below the x-axis, and then the curve opens upward. This equation of a parabola x squared equals negative 4cy, vertex at the origin, the directrix is on top of the positive on top of the x-axis, and then the curve opens downward. Okay, so these are the equations of the parabola with vertex at the origin and their corresponding graphs. Okay, also tandaan din natin that the distance of the vertex to the directrix and vertex to focus is equal to c. Okay, and that is also called the focal distance. Okay, the length of the latus rectum is equals to 4c, and half of the latus rectum, this should be half of the latus rectum is equal to 2c. Okay, so tandaan lahat ng ito at para makapag-graph tayo at ma-determine natin yung location of the focus, endpoints of the latus rectum, and then the length of the latus rectum and the equation of directrix. Kailangan natin itong mga bagay nito para makuha yung mga nabanggit ko. At the same time, kung hindi natin to alam, we cannot determine the graph of a parabola given the equation. Okay?